Yo, check it. FZ47X Hotpack. Courtesy of the Hotpack Happiness Project. Yeah. This one's for all of you. Listen, yo. Hotpack has got back now with the Happiness Project to keep the employees pumped. Now that's an amazing concept to fight the blues and keep the cool. And if I'm being honest, in a world that's monotonous, this is heavily watered. So keep the ball on one side and the mic on the next. There's football, volleyball, and there's all of the rest. There's singing, dancing, and there's more winning, so give it your best. Photography will really put your camera's real to the test. Am I to expect that Hotpack's hidden gems won't shine? They're fighters out there in the world and some within their minds. So this one's for them. We see and respect your grind, so keep on shining, man. Don't ever let the darkness blind. You're good, you're great, you're the best, so go and win that cup and shoot your best shot. Give it all, whatever you got. Red or team or solo, don't matter, you hit the spot. Cause you'll be smiling like a champ for sure when you're on top. Hey. I'll be smiling like a champ cause of the happiness plan. Everything is super grand. Hotpack loves me as I am, yeah. Hotpack loves me as I am.